Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Ubuntu machine. Now let's get started. First, open up your browser and search in Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link. Click on .deb. Once your download is complete, open up your terminal. Go to the downloads folder. And type in sudo apt install / and hit on tab. Enter your password. So now we have successfully installed VS Code on our Ubuntu system. You can go on and click here. Now, if you want to open your Visual Code Studio from your terminal, you can use the command code space dot. So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.